Can you guess what I have in here? It could save your life. This is my 48-hour survival toolkit that I fit into an Altoids tin. I'm gonna show you what I've got in here. For starters, we've got salt packets. This will help you when you feel dehydrated to retain water. This has a dual purpose. It's got a little compass, but it's also a magnesium steel striker when you want to start a fire. Then I've got a little plastic bag here. This is multi-purpose. You could use it to collect mushrooms, wild edibles, or to even collect water. Then I've got a little pencil and a little piece of paper, and this is just to keep notes when you're out in nature. And then I've got some Band-Aids because you never know when you're going to get a blister or a cut and need to cover them up. But if a cut gets infected, I've got some antibiotic ointment in here. Then I've got a small packet of Cayenne Pepper in here, and this helps you when you're bleeding to clot the blood. Here I've got some waterproof matches to help you start a fire. And then a little bit of wire that you can use for multi-purpose, from hanging things to tying things. And I've got some safety pins for when you have a tear or you lose a button. Now these little white tablets are to help you purify water. Next, I've got some tin foil, which is folded over many times to fit. You could use this to cook fish, to signal with, or to turn into a cup for water. Then I've got a small blade, because you always need to be able to cut things. And last but not least, I've got some magnetized sewing needles. This will serve as a makeshift compass if you float it on a leaf in the water. Try making one of these at home. As the Boy Scouts say, always be prepared. I'm curious what you would put in your own survival kit. Leave it in the comments below and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more pioneering videos.